Hi, this is Tommy Hall with MathNook.com, and I'm here to give a quick overview on how to play our number line inequalities game. If you're not familiar with MathNook, we have lots of free online math games and puzzle games to play, as well as teaching tools to use, and there's never any membership or sign-up required, and everything is always free to play and use. Okay, let's take a look at the game. This is our inequalities game, and you can find it I should say inequalities graphing game. You can find this by going to the main page of MathNook. Towards the top, you're going to see games by categories, and in there you'll have the different various math categories listed in alphabetical order. You can go to the graphs text link and see our graphing games there, where this game will be. Also, you could go to the algebra games, and this game will be in there also. So when you first start the game, this is the main menu you'll see. The More Games button will take you to lofgames.com, which also has free online math and puzzle games to play. And there's never any membership or sign-up required. And everything's free to play also. The video button will take you to the page on MathNook that has this video on it, in case you'd like to see that again. The instructions, here are the instructions on how to play, in case you'd like to see that. But I'm going to show you how to play, so there's really no reason to do that. But this is the button that you'll use to get back to the main menu. And you go ahead and click play, and the buttons you have here are, this will take you to the main menu. This will restart the game. This will toggle the music on and off. This will toggle the sound on and off. And I have everything turned off right now for the video, but you can do any combination you'd like. If I just want to hear the sounds, I would go ahead and enable this button so that I have sounds but no music. Okay, so when you start, you're going to have a question and a graph. And the question is going to read, what inequality does the number line show? On the number line, you have this arrow going this way. And if you notice, it starts at 0, goes to -1, and it keeps going. So what you need to do is write your answer. And it says write your answer starting with x. And it gives you an example. You want it in the format of x is less than 5. It's going to look similar to that, and I'll show you how that's done. Because this inequality would be all the values less than and equal to 0. So we'll say, plug in this format. This would represent x is less than or equal to 0. And let's go ahead and check it. And it says exactly, and I get to have the choice of restart, do the next one, or go to the main menu. So let's go ahead and go to the next one. Now this one's a little bit different because you notice the other one didn't have this circle, and what that means on the number on the starting point. So at -1, it means it does not include -1. Everything but -1 and to the left of -1. So it's going to be x is less than, and you notice I chose less than and not less than equal because it's not including -1. That's what the circle means. You get the -1, oof, and exactly. Now we have, okay, now all the numbers greater than -9. So x is greater than, let's go ahead and do greater than or equal to -9. And this is going to be incorrect because the circle means it doesn't include -9. So let's go ahead and check it. And it says, sorry, incorrect. The answer is x is greater than -9. You can drag this around and see what the answer was and what the difference is. And to get rid of that, you just go ahead and click that button. And you get another problem to start with. And if I do some different things here, I don't want to do that. I just click X. Start over again. So you can do different things, and if you make a mistake, you just click the X and start over again. Okay, well that's how you play the game. Let's go back to the main menu here. If you have any suggestions or games you'd like to see, be sure and contact us, or even with any comments at info@mathnook.com, and we'll get back with you. We can make modifications. We do lots of changes, and are always happy to hear from our game players, our visitors, I should say. Anyways, I hope the videos help some. I hope you have fun with the game, and thanks for watching.